Right, yeah.
Hard for them to find the hole, they're men. I'm jokes.
Kristen, you're naughty. Then I bang it in.
That is what we're trying to repair.
So basically, what this is your shoulder joint,
Okay.
right? This is your glenoid, your labrum, and your humeral head, right? So it works like a golf tee, right? It sits in place. When there's dislocation, it means the labrum is torn, right? Or damaged. So they need to fix it, otherwise it keeps falling off. So what they need to do is they need to fix this, which is known as the labrum, which is what we're going to fix.
Now this is a practicing model of this part.
So they elevate first to do this bit and they'll do the rasp for bleeding to aid healing and blood supply to the bed. So the rasp. And what we're doing, they'll ask for the cannula and the green one because of the smaller one.
The green one, the yellow, we say is for working cannula because it's long enough, it's too
Okay,
big,
yeah.
So, we want that.
So but when do they ask for the green then? This is another part.
Viewing, when they're doing another viewing portal.
Another video, yes.
Oh, this is for camera basically.
Yeah, camera.
Camera.
But a lot of people don't really use that yet.
So we ask for this yellow bit.
Yeah, because last time I used, I think, a purple.
Yeah, you got
and a yellow
purple
one.
one for yellow.
So this one and it clicks. So I put it in, like drill it in for it to get there, and that's my.
That comes out, yeah. So you've got your placement is done.
It comes out. Yep, and.
Okay, so here, you're in. Now you want to put in your ankle. What do you need? So you've got different options, right? You've got either curved or you've got a straight, right? If you got this is more flexible, it's more bendable. That's for the curved, because the curved is bent, right? Whereas the straight one is straight. So use the curve.
The curved one, okay. Well, I need to put the wires in, like.
No,
we don't use it for this one.
We will, but not now because you need to do your anchor first. So put your anchor in.
So the curved one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to there, all the way down.
Yeah.
Now take that out. Take that in that out.
Yep.
Perfect.
Then drill.
Drill. No, you're using a curve.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, so curved is for this.
Yeah, because it's bendable.
It's
More bendable.
okay.
Is that the drill?
That's a drill.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I go in and drill.
So how do you connect it to?
Chuck.
Okay.
So
It's the same as that, yeah.
So they drill
Drill all the way through.
Yeah,
Then, but then you need. This is the one where, before the drill comes out, this needs to be ready.
Yeah, because if not, you lose the hole.
Yeah, you
Okay,
lose the hole.
yeah.
But if it's the straight one, you don't need
No,
that.
you do. You
Oh,
do
because
for
it's
both.
smaller.
No.
Or why?
Because the hole are smaller.
Yeah, and it can close easily.
You can close. With both, you need the hole. You need
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
But I'm saying the reason for that is because it's smaller. Or is there any other
Yeah,
reason?
because this needs to go in the same hole for it to bunch up.
And it might be difficult for them to
Yeah,
keep the
yeah.
position
So
in
immediately
place.
then I put this in. Oh,
So you've lost your hole. See?
yeah, I get what
So right now you're here.
Yeah,
and you're
it
gonna
wouldn't
push it
go
in and it won't go in.
bounce
Yeah.
right, yeah.
Hard
So-
for them to find the hole, they're men. I'm jokes.
Kristen, you're naughty. Then I bang it in, or no? Yeah? And so I take this one off.
Pull this back. Hold on. Pull. Let go.
Yeah?
Okay, perfect. So now pull that out.
This one, yeah?
Yeah, take that and pull it back.
This one.
Pull it back. Just pull the whole.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Then this comes
And
out.
take everything.
This is the stabilization. Yeah.
Then you pull. So what you need to do, you need to put all three of them.
Yeah.
We call it short sharp tugs. Just short tugs.
Yeah?
What that does is sets the ankles and makes it bunch up. And that's what stops it coming out.
From
Because
coming
you've got
out.
initial 1.8, but by the time it punches out, it'll be bigger than 1.8.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you pull that out, perfect.
Yeah.
So now you've got them to the side.
Yeah, all of them.
Yeah, you need to go in with your faster. So they'll normally have a different portal for this, right?
But I should have a wire
Yeah,
going for this
so
one.
let's just use this.
So they have a different pot for this one, not the same pot.
Yeah, they'll
That's
retrieve
like maybe
this.
they'll use the grey one.
Yeah, they'll retrieve this from somewhere else because it's too much sutures,
Yeah,
isn't
then
it?
I'll just put it back and get it. Yeah. So this is
All the
going.
way down.
Yeah.
Now, no, yeah, no. So now go around. Before you do that, you need to go around the labrum, right?
Oh yeah. So the same one.
Yeah, no. Go around the labrum.
Oh yeah.
Around
Underneath.
from the other way. Yeah.
Yeah. Then
Yep, keep doing it, keep doing it. Then you're gonna go in with your suture retriever, and then you're gonna retrieve this. So again, remember what we did.
Oh, going in.
Take this out.
Okay.
So you want to pass so much of this in, that you can
So
take
that
that
doesn't
out.
pull out when I'm doing that.
Then you can go in with this. Then you can find the loop. Because obviously, look, right now you're doing with your hand, but when you're in the joint,
it's not in there. You have to find it.
You have to find that hole. Yeah.
It's gonna be difficult inside, isn't it?
Then I pull it out.
Yeah, pull it. That's enough. That's enough.
Yeah.
Perfect. So you've done this.
Then I tread
Now you
this
need to
way.
put your blue. Yeah, it's running. Just
Yeah.
check, make sure it's running.
Yeah.
You want to put your blue
Yeah.
through the loop.
Right side to load it, but this is
Oh, so you just pulled out the loop
Careful,
itself.
not too much. You want to
Okay.
put a little bit and fold
Yeah.
it. See that blue line?
Yeah.
Fold it there. Then you want to pull on here.
Yeah.
And what you want to do is
But
you
you
want to
pull
pass
it back
it, pass it underneath. So pull, let go,
Yeah.
pull and let go, let go. So look, it's literally just past it. Now you've got the blue one. So pull on the
Yeah.
blue one here. This
And
one.
put it in the loop.
No, don't do it. Pull it. Just pull the blue one.
Yeah.
Let go of this one.
Okay.
Pull the blue one. Pull the blue one. Yeah, keep going. Alright. So this is why they'll have another portal.
Another part because if not.
Yeah, otherwise you'll get so much sutures. So hold on.
Like a carrot.
Hold it, hold it.
Yeah.
We're doing it too much with the. We're trying to do it with the cannula.
Okay. So what are we doing now?
Alright, so it's passed around the label.
Okay.
Alright. So you've got 3.
you need to split the.
So all 3, you have to do that for all 3 for the blue.
No, just one. The blue goes underneath the label. That's your pen.
Yeah.
That's then gonna go through this loop. Then you're gonna no.
Then I'm gonna fold it.
You see how the blue line? There's a blue line
Yeah.
here. Alright.
Yeah.
Where's the blue line? No.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
come here. Then fold it.
You.
Yeah. Now fold both of them. Hold both of them.
Maybe you just need to wipe it.
Then this is known as your sharpening suture. So you want to pull on here.
Okay.
Pull it all the way down. So what that does is going to go through the mechanism and it's going to come out. So keep pulling. Short, sharp tap now. Get closer here. Short, sharp tap. Let go. Perfect. See? Now it's gone through itself.
So that's,
Then you pull on here. And then you see it's fixed. Yeah. Obviously,
To the end.
Oh, yeah. Then you put this one through here. And flush.
Fibertak cutter.
you can use a fiber tape cutter. You can just use a suture cutter with this one.
Is it? Why?
Because it's thinner.
Ah, okay.
So you can just